Have you ever wondered what a conversion on a Ford Transit Trail looks like? Well, this is your lucky day. Meet Laurie's van. Laurie is a Ford employee and she sent us this Transit Trail a few months back. We have just finished converting it. This is a special build for us, not only because this is the first time we convert a Transit Trail, but this is also one of the very first one to come off the lines. This time, let's start outside and see what makes this a Transit Trail. So the first thing that you will notice is a black and more aggressive front and wheel bumper. The wheel is also more aggressive in 16 inches. The tires are bigger and off-road tires. They come with mud guards in the back. The second thing to notice is the height of the van. The van comes with a lift that raises the total height by 3.5 inches. The final things that makes it different are the very heavy duty and wide running boards that go from the front to the back on both the passenger and the driver side. Since we are on the outside, let's talk about the things that we added on the van, starting on the driver side. The driver side, we have the ladder that goes up the modular roof rack from Backwood Adventure. On the roof you have 400 watt of solar panels, a 12 volt air conditioning system and an electric max air fan. Behind the ladder you have the grey water tank with the grey water gauge. In the very back you have the 15 amp shore power connection. We added flares from Flare Space on that van to expand the width of the van, allowing us to put a very comfortable queen size mattress. The new width of the van is now 80 inches in the inside. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. On the passenger side we have the outside city water, the 15 amp outside outlets. Above it on the roof rack we have the manual Fiamma awning with roof rack lights, and now we're fully ready to give you a tour of the inside. In the entrance of the van you have our now standard flip down table to the outside, the magnetic bug wall from the bug screen and the flip up countertop. Now I'm gonna spend time to demonstrate this new system that Drifter Van just came out with. We just finished patenting the system of the flip up countertop table, and this is a game changer for the use of space in van life. Let me show you. So what this adjustable flip up bracket allows you to do is very easily adjust the height. So you can use this flip up countertop from the kitchen to extend the countertop area when you're cooking. You can also adjust the height of the flipped countertop to turn it into a desk from the swivel passenger seat, like that. Or even better, use it as a second table while you're cooking outside with your flip down table. Like that. We will soon be able to offer this in all of our builds, and hopefully soon after we will be able to offer it to other builders or DIYers. In the back you have the standard string between the two back doors where you can attach a shower curtain. The two back doors come with windows and window treatment that are fully blackout inside the window boxes. On one of the doors you have the shower mat for outdoor showers. On the passenger side you have the outdoor shower itself right here with the water panel and the gravity fill. We built a custom pull-out drawer for easy access of your stuff in the garage right here. And on the driver's side you have the electrical compartment with the EcoFlow power kit, the 5 kilowatt battery with room for a possible upgrade in the future, and the distribution panel with all the fuses and the breakers. Extra storage with Velcro to store a lot of things. Storage with Velcro net on the carpet inside the garage. You have the magnetic bug screen from the bug wall also in between the back doors, and some nice curtain dividers. You also have blackout window treatments that go in the window boxes in the back door. Now let's finish inside the van. We've already talked about the flip-up countertop. We have a 16 by 16 sink with a swivel faucet. Under the sink we have plenty of storage. Laurie didn't want a built-in stove, so we made a mobile induction stove and we created a little compartment specifically for it. Under the sink you also have the fire extinguisher and the freshwater filter. Above the sink you have the spice holder and the EcoFlow monitor, which is the digital monitor for the EcoFlow 5 kilowatt power kit. Moving towards the back we have more countertop space, custom backsplash with AC and DC outlets, a digital Webasto hair heater. Above it in the upper cabinet we have a Furrion microwave, and above it in the ceiling an electric max air fan. At the end of the countertop, we have a custom rattan divider to separate the kitchen area to the bed area. Under the countertop, we have an isotherm 12-volt fridge, model 85 drawer, with just above it a drawer with a custom cutlery divider. In the bedroll, we have the vent for the Webasto heater and under it a door for the garage space. On the driver's side, we have upper cabinets all the way from the back door to the front. Under the upper cabinets, we have a custom half-slider window with a box screen in the window box that comes with custom black shade window treatments. Between the two benches, we have storage inside the step and an AC and DC outlet. The seating area is composed by two benches. One is for the separate tiny toilet, the other one is for storage. The table in the middle is a lagoon table. The lagoon table drops to turn the two benches into a full couch. The toilet bench hosts a separate tiny toilet with urine container that will open when you sit on it. The second bench is for storage and has a secret compartment for extra storage and a safe. In the front of the van we added a headliner shelf to add extra storage above the driver and the passenger side. In the bed area, as usual, we have an extensive amount of pillows, two 12-volt reading lights with USB chargers. We have two window boxes on both the driver and passenger side. They go inside the flares to turn the mattress into an 80 inches queen size. The window boxes have custom window treatments that are fully blackout. Above the bed we have a 12-volt air conditioning system. In between the back doors we have two curtains with blackout window treatments inside the window boxes. This build was a lot of fun. We are very honored to have had the chance to work on one of the very first transit trails. We have a few more to come, so stay tuned, follow us, subscribe, and see you next time.